Hey, welcome to week 6, and you're almost done. So this week we're working on the very last chapter of PowerPoint. Hopefully you've enjoyed PowerPoint so far. So here's what's going on for week 6. As you can see, we have the list of student outcomes, and then as we move down to the schedule, we're going to be working just on PowerPoint chapter 6. Same routine, training. Make sure you go to SAM and do the training first. And then you want to move to the textbook, and that starts on page 145. Please keep in mind, because we are using SAM for the textbook assignment, so you can get immediate feedback, you'll need to log into SAM and click on the link for PowerPoint Chapter 3 textbook project. Download the starting files and the supporting files, and then go ahead and go to the book and start reading and doing the steps. Then you'll go into SAM and you'll do the project. Then you have the exam in SAM, the quiz in Blackboard, and then hopefully you're working on your capstone project now. And keep in mind you have all the due dates and the due times as well. So let's take a look and see what the individual assignments are. So the training in SAM, very easy. Please make sure that as you're doing the training, that should be the first thing you should do. Don't go to the book assignment yet. You want to make sure you do click on that training complete button in order to receive full credit. Then you're going to go to the textbook project. So let me go ahead and switch over to the book, and let me just show you a few things. When you are actually looking at the book and you open up to page 145, keep in mind that as you're reading, it's going to give you an example of what your end product is going to look like once you're done completing all the steps in the Chapter 3 textbook project. Alright, so keep that in mind. You need to go back and take a look at these pages and take a look at your slides and compare them to the key. So when you get started, one of the things about the textbook project, because we are using SAM, I want you to understand that you're going to be downloading the starting file from SAM. Alright, so you'll be starting on inserting photos and adding effects. So let me go into SAM. And let me go ahead and get to the PowerPoint Chapter 3 textbook. So it'll say PowerPoint 2013 Chapter 3 textbook. And when you click on the link, make sure you read these instructions. Keep in mind you get 5 chances to submit the file and get the feedback. So you want to make sure you do that so you can better your score. So then you're going to click on Start. And you're going to download the data files, and it does state you must use the SAM start file provided to receive credit for this assignment. So that's this download link over here on the right hand side. You'll have your name instead of my name, and then you'll have the 2 supporting files as well. Then when it's time for you to come back and get it graded, you'll scroll down and you'll see what the file name should be when you get done. So make sure you understand you're going to be saving it as Watch for Motorcycles, and then it's going to have your name, and make sure you do the underscore. Don't type the period and the letters PPTX. That's already on there because that's the file extension. So when you download Motorcycle and then whatever your name is, make sure you do a save as, and you're going to save it as Watch _for _motorcycles, and make sure you're capitalizing the W and the M. Alright, if it doesn't look just like this, then it's going to tell you it has the wrong file. Alright, so when you download this, and you can just click on it, and actually if you just go ahead and open it in PowerPoint, what you're going to want to do is do a save as command and then save it in your Chapter 3 folder, and make sure you save it with the file name that's indicated. Now in the book where it tells you that, it's going to be on the previous page here. So let me go ahead. It's going to be on the pages that tell you to start PowerPoint, and then it's going to tell you to go ahead and save the presentation with this file name. Alright, but you can always go back and look in SAM and you can see what the file name needs to be, because it's going to tell you in step 3. So just keep that in mind. Alright, okay, so let's go back into week 6. So that's the textbook project. Then you're going to move into SAM again, and you're going to download the PowerPoint Chapter 3 project. And again, make sure when you do that, that you are reading the instructions. Let me go ahead and turn off a few things. So when you are coming into PowerPoint Chapter 3 project, again, you get 5 chances to submit. And when you click on Start, you're going to download the instructions, you're going to download the starting files, and again, save this in your PowerPoint Chapter 3 folder. Alright? Okay, great. And then you're going to go to Chapter 3 exam. Again, that's in PowerPoint. Then make sure you don't skip going back into Blackboard and you take the quiz for Chapter 3. Then as you're working throughout the PowerPoint, you may want to go ahead and start working on that piece for the project as well. So that is week 3. If you have any questions, give me a call.